We continue with the set tutorial on find and replace, and we'll do some advanced topics concerning regular expressions and how we can use them for our work. So let me start first with sed slash. Let's say I want to remove here. I have the file here. I have Sam, Dan, Gerald. They are separated by a comma. If I want to put them on a new line, I'll use slash n g dash. Okay, data. So what I did is now Sam, Dan, Gerald, and Tom, they are on one line. Let me continue. There's another feature for sed. Let's say I have these windows. Let's say I want to say if you find for me on any line windows, on this line do sed operation. So first you have to find for me windows or a pattern. After you find me this pattern, do another operation substitution. So example, I'll give here an example. Sed dash, it will be first look for me for windows. After you do a windows, substitute s. Then you say, let's say I need you to search on these lines E and replace them with capital E. Simple enough. Okay. So what it did here is that only on places where it found windows, all the E, it gave them capital E. Here it did not find. Here it found and it put it as capital E. We continue with the regular expression, the most important ones that we would consider. So let us say so for regular expression, I will use sed-e. And let's say I want to look for 3 numbers, 3 digits, any 3 digits in this file, any 3 digits, and I will put a parenthesis on these digits. So how I do it? I will put, let's say 09, okay, 3, look for 3 digits, and for this dash, I will have to use this parenthesis. I will tell you why I want to use this parenthesis. Okay, slash, I will use slash, I will have to put parenthesis inside, and I want to put the same number, I'll put /1. I'll explain it when I finish. Data.text. So what basically did is, for this dash E, it takes everything in the pattern here, inside the parentheses. Here I have one parenthesis, meaning I have only /1, \1. If I have 2, the second one will be \2, the third one. So here I'll tell sed, search for me every 3-digit number inside this parenthesis. And every 3-digit number, you put a parenthesis and put these 3 digits. So it put it here, it put it here, it put it here. I will do another example to simplify things. Let us say I want to take this one. This one, if you want as an email, I discussed before for the email that you can divide it into 3 parts. But for this one, I will not use the general one for the email. I will only use a simpler one. So first I have 3 parts. This is the first part. This is hello is the second part. And after the dot is the third part. So how we divide it and which ones I want to extract. Maybe I want to extract the first one or the second one or the third one. Let us see how it goes. So first of all, of course, sed -e dash s. First, we have, as I said, 3 parentheses. Okay. So before the third parenthesis, I will put it starts with. So because this email only is starting at the beginning of the lesson. So first we said everything after the start till we reach at. After at, there are numbers. Let's say dot star also. And then there is the dot. And after the dot, there is dot star. Okay? Fair enough. I'll put here. So now what I want to output, let's say I want to output only one. G dash data. Okay. So now what it did, it removed this at hello.com and it replaced it only with 192.168. Let's say I want to know this user at which website or the hello. How do I get the hello? All I do is I put 2. Finish. I get the hello. Let's say I want the third one, which is the com. I can get the com. Very simple. Let's see, I want to interchange them or do some crazy things about them. Let's say I will do /2 /1 /3. So what it did now is that it put the second one, which is hello, after that 192.168.1.3, and then I put com. So you can do whatever you want with that one. The third one that I will do is the Twitter here. This file, let's say it is updated every 5 minutes, and every 5 minutes we have 2 statuses, and I don't know which username I am using. So if I want to automate it and to get this username too, how I do it? So directly I apply sed for this file, and directly I get username too without opening this file, because this file is updated every 5 minutes, and maybe I want to use this username too and display it on the desktop, maybe. So what I do first, I need to get these 2 lines. Getting these 2 lines is very easy with grep, but because we are using sed, we'll do it with sed. So to do it with sed, this is how we do it from the previous video. Okay, I press P dash data dot text, enter. So now all these files we got these 2. If I want to cut the second one, I need the second line. What do? I say sed, of course, dash, for the second line I use the sed dash n, print for me second p. Okay, so now I have the second line. So here, what do I have to do? First thing I have to remove all of this. So it becomes username to dash status. The second thing I will do after I remove these 2, I have to remove everything after this backslash. So I will be left with username too. Easy enough. Maybe there are other methods. Maybe it can be done in one-liner, etc. But I will do it like this because it's a tutorial. Let me first, I want to go down a little bit so that I won't mess with. Okay, so here, I'll put sed first. Since we are using file numbers or addresses, I will use underscore instead of backslash. Instead of backslash, I will use underscore. So backslash. So first, I want to remove everything till com backslash. Everything till com backslash. So what I say is everything. You can do this one if you want. Starting with everything till com. It will remove till com. It will leave the backslash. So I will have to include the backslash. Backslash underscore empty. 2 underscore means it's an empty one. G dot. Okay, so now I have username 2 /status. So now I have to remove everything after the backslash. So what I do, the same one, I will say sed dash s underscore everything after the backslash, remove it. Everything dot star Okay, \\g remove. Okay, if I want to be more meticulous, I want to add an @ after that, you can do it also. But look what you can do. You have to put -e and then /s. You can use the \/ here, and you say everything because it's only username too. I will put .*. Okay, \, here I will put @\1 g dot. So now it is @username 2. Let us see this one. This one is a file. I got it as an HTML file. What I want to do is I want to remove everything, and I want to get the address of this one. Since it is a local one, the address will be, let's say, www.weather.com/images2/m57.gif. Note that m57.gif, every 5 minutes, let's say, it will change. It will be 58, 59, 5, 6, etc. So what I do is, let me be very quick how we can do it. So search first we will divide them into 3 parts. Okay, this is the first part, and this is the second part. You can do it as a second part only if you want, but let me tell you how I do it. So beginning with everything till src equal quotation. So I want to remove this one or remove this one. I put them in one case, and then I will put .*gif, okay, and .*. Let me make it fast. My weather.com /2/g dot data